Okay, so now we come to the second paragraph, actually the first paragraph of the body, and that's where we're going to actually start talking about the Windseeker ride. So we will start a new node there and we'll call it the beginning of the ride. Let's just choose the particulars for this. The background we'll say is red, and let's just put it in a position where it's not taking up too much space. So we talk about the beginning of the ride. So everything that comes from this is going to be about what happens at the start till we go to the end. And the first thing that I want to put in is describe what happened at the beginning, at the very start. So we want to add a node there, and then we'll put describe what happened at the beginning of the ride. Again, we have to make sure that we keep it in the same color because it's a guide to help us to decide what goes into which paragraph. Then the next thing that I would want to write about is describing the view, the amazing view, because that was one of the things that grabbed me while I was going up. Okay, I could see the other rides in the park. I could also see buildings, the adjoining buildings and the roads, the traffic on the road. So I want to write about that. And another thing that I would want to highlight in this paragraph should be how I felt as I approached the top. I also want to remind myself that since this is going to be the last part of this paragraph, I want to remind myself that I should write a summary sentence. Because you know you should always end your paragraph with a summary sentence. Sorry, just correct that a bit. And then, of course, making it uniformed. So that basically would be my second paragraph, which, as I said, is the first paragraph of the body. So what we have so far is the topic, the highlight of my holidays. And then we have the introduction, just to remind you, make a general statement about my holidays, identify the highlight, which in this case is the Windseeker ride, and then we start talking about the ride itself right here, and all of this is what's going to be in that first paragraph.